कुछ फेक नहीं है भाई। सब कुछ फेक नहीं है।
एक भी शॉट रिपीटेड नहीं,
एक शॉट रिपीटेड नहीं है भाई, इसीलिए सम ऑफ देम आर शिट।
Call for daddy issues. Call for mommy issues.
नो अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज एंड शाउटिंग। भाई ये क्या है भाई? क्या है?
वेरी टफ फॉर शिवम।
ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है बॉम्बे के बार्स में ना यार, मतलब सिगरेट पीने के लिए मैं नहीं पीता। क्या बात कर रहा हूँ मैं? नहीं मैं नहीं पीता।
बट वाइब सबसे ज़्यादा बेस्ट है,
वो बाहर जाके बात करेंगे।
So Shivam, what's the plan for today?
The plan is simple. We're going to go pick up my colleague Abhinav, and we are going to then go get drinks on a Tuesday night on company money. We're going to go visit some dive bars, some iconic Bombay dive bars, and yeah, vlog about it. Dogs are wearing shoes. These are Bandra dogs right there.
So why dive bars?
I guess because this is our first vlog, so we couldn't ask for a lot of money to visit the fancy ones. And yeah, we want to start with the underbelly of the city, yeah, like you know where the janta drinks. See what I did? Bill Lee. अच्छा यार, आजा शर्मा मत यार, शर्मा रहा है।
चले
आजा शर्मा मत।
हेलो।
Yeah, we talk about the concept of dive bar, क्योंकि जब मैं दिल्ली में था ना, वहाँ नहीं होता है concept of dive bar।
मैं सोचता हूँ डाइवर के, मेरे को लगता था कि लोग आते गाड़ी लगाते पीते और चले जाते हैं, वो है क्या डाइव बार?
Like dive bar, in my knowledge, it's what a dive bar is that it's a neighborhood bar essentially, where the drinks are not expensive. They haven't spent a lot on decor and everything. Just everything is very bare minimum. Dive bars got their name from being a place where someone would dive below, so to speak, into the underbelly of the social world.
Right.
So just come here, no frills. Just come, have some good food, have some good.
पियो, खाओ, निकलो।
बस भाई, ये तो जनता लंच में मंगलुरु दिखा रहा है 722 किलोमीटर।
जनता लंच वो
चले क्या?
चल सकते हैं।
जनता पारी नाका। हमने 2 LP माइल्ड ऑर्डर किए।
लंदन पिल्सनर माइल्ड। आई ऑलवेज थॉट लंदन का होगा भाई ये मतलब ये देसी है।
लंदन बिजनेस।
Cheapest drink on the menu
is Old Monk.
has to be Old Monk, I guess. No, it's Dr. Brandy. The cheapest drink on the menu is Dr. Brandy. 55 rupees for 130 ml drink. That's crazy, bro.
55 rupees.
Yeah, and Old Monk is for 60 bucks. That's mad. So there is this concept here where this is a free seating. कि अगर ये अभी जगह पैक हो जाए और कोई 2 और आदमी आए, उन्हें बैठना हो, और हम लोग ये 6 की टेबल पे 3 लोग बैठे हैं, तो वो 2 लोग हमारे साथ बैठेंगे टेबल पे। एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स यार, साथ में बैठ के दारू पीता है वो इंसान, तो दोस्ती तो हो ही जाती है।
I'm Mr. Larry.
Mr. Larry.
Not a king, but Larry Prince. One of Larry 5 crore property. I put Larry band play piano here. Waiting to sell my product. Don't video shoot.
Also, we can't show you the place right now because they are very strict about it. Adds to the charm of the place that people are not recording like fools like us. We are sorry. क्या करना पड़ता है content के लिए यार?
Cross the limit.
Yeah, cross the limit. That's not bad at all though. 2 full bottles of London Pilsner and this mushroom and 2 times peanuts. That's not bad at all. Chalo, off to PJ's. Jamaat Khana used to be a Persian term for a sports club. And a gymkhana is technically supposed to be a sports club. That's what a gymkhana concept is. It's a club, you get a membership, you go for some sports, you play those sports, you earn yourselves a nice beer and you go get that.
So PJ's is in this gymkhana?
Yeah, it's inside this Saisa gymkhana. This is also the only place where I've heard that you have to pay a very nominal entry fee, like 50 bucks or 100 bucks. And 50 bucks on weekdays and 100 bucks on the weekend.
और चप्पल पहन के अंदर नहीं घुस सकते।
Some pickleball is happening.
अच्छा, दिस इज पिकल बॉल। हम लोग जहाँ जा रहे हैं, लोग कैमरा देख के पुल बैक कर रहे हैं, तो आई हैव नो आइडिया कि यहाँ क्या होने वाला है। सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट। बजट के अंदर ही रहते हैं। बट सेड यू आर द वन हु सेड यू आर नॉट रिकॉर्डिंग एनीथिंग।
Not with that.
cheap. Honeybee brandy for 43 rupees only. Old Monk, brother, Old Monk for the win.
28. Actually सस्ता है भाई.
It's so cheap.
Yeah, fucking hell, yes. चले फिर.
Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
Cash and delivery.
Card.
Boom. Only open till 11 p.m. I guess that's perfect for some pre-drinks though. It's a great place for pre-drinks. AC है, vibes है. Top place. यहाँ पे लगा St. Anthony's Institute साइड तो bro. St. Anthony's Institute Sports Academy, Saisa.
And और एक बार वो बोलो. They want us to get drunk, but routine में.
ऐसे फालतू यहाँ पे आके टाइम पास नहीं करने का.
How are we going?
Auto. Rickshaw, auto.
Where are we headed, Abhinav?
Yacht Resto Bar.
Yacht Resto Bar, here we come.
भाई क्या लिखा हुआ है भाई? Compact, no nonsense eatery. Doling out typical Indian plates along with cocktails and beers.
मतलब हम वहाँ पर जाके बकचोदी नहीं कर सकते.
Yacht is एकदम चर्च के बगल में. तो God is telling you.
I'll tell you a little trivia about this place.
Yep.
Before it became Yacht Resto Bar, it used to be called Yacht Permit Room. Have you seen permit rooms across Bombay? You know, across Maharashtra, there is this concept of permit rooms. Yep. So what had happened was, right after independence, the government introduced prohibition, which means you couldn't openly sell alcohol or consume alcohol in multiple states for various reasons.
Right.
Bombay being one of them, Maharashtra being one of them. What you would do is, if you want to drink, you would get a permit, and you would go to a permit room, and that is where you could drink. You also have a permit to drink. They have a permit to let you drink.
Very straight to the point.
Yeah, good bakwas. No, सीधी बात, no bakwas.
You know how you get a permit?
I mean, honestly, that's a very good question because technically Maharashtra is still under prohibition, which means we still need a permit. Don't worry, my boy. I got you. Well, trivia lesson. Let's go get drinks.
मैं तो कहता हूँ अब एकदम चीप चले जाते हैं.
एकदम चीप ही तो कर रहे थे यार.
भाई एक जगह हम लोगों ने बियर पिया, एकदम एब्सोल्यूट पी लिया यार. ये तो
एब्सोल्यूट ही पी जाते भाई. 30 साल का हो गया यार. क्या बातें कर रहा है मतलब. यहाँ पे देखो कुछ 40 रुपए वगैरह वाला वाइब नहीं है जो अभी हमें पीजेस में मिल रहा था, जनता में मिल रहा था.
दिखाइए एक बार.
यहाँ कुछ 40 रुपए का नहीं है.
रम देखियो एक बार.
100 रुपए की ओल्ड मॉन्क.
महंगी है.
प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट.
सॉर्ट ऑफ ऑल द बस दैट वी हैव बीन टू टुडे, ये सबसे महंगी है.
एक ओल्ड मॉन्क लार्ज 60 ml, 2 ओल्ड मॉन्क स्मॉल 30 ml. The high that I get from an old monk is more sleepy. It's not more pumpy. Yeah. Get that old monk.
I'll pour mine.
अरे ये जो तुमने यहाँ वेस्ट किया है ना,
Sorry.
इसलिए भाई से डलवाना था.
सॉरी ये देख. सॉरी.
भाई स्केल होती है. भाई स्केल की नहीं है. सॉरी जो भाई स्केल की नहीं है. स्केल है भाई. Alright, cheers lads.
Cheers lads.
Let me just show you around this place. So you gotta this is one of the rooms. Here. There's also kind of a cool smoking area here. Yeah. I think this is a smoking area, or at least it's a cool graffiti area. Call for daddy issues. This is actually the non-AC area. This is actually the real fun area. I seem to have violated my camera privileges here, it seems. He said do not shoot because there are ladies sitting.
But he was so nice.
He was very nice about it.
This is the most expensive.
This was not the most expensive.
Which one was?
939. जनता was.
But vibe सबसे ज़्यादा best है.
वो बाहर जाके बात करेंगे.
What's the verdict?
Okay, so you go first.
I think favorite Janta.
Okay.
Janta because of service.
Sure,
Okay, that's all. बस और कुछ नहीं है.
Service top, I will say Janta, followed by Yacht, followed
Yacht.
by PJs.
PJs, yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Ambience, of course, PJs, but then I'm not a very big fan of ambience. Yeah. मेरे को बस ये काम से मतलब है तो भाई Janta is at the top for me.
Sure.
Yacht. What do you think?
I think what I like about Yacht is that it is it's the quintessential dive bar. For me, that
Yeah.
that
Yacht
felt like shady, sasta,
yeah.
yet like that
Yeah.
felt like a neighborhood bar where there
Yeah.
was just multiple areas.
Because Janta is too iconic.
Yeah.
PJs is too sophisticated.
Yeah.
But जो बीच में वो जो गंदगी आ रही है ना.
That gandagi, that little, when you
Shadiness.
जो सड़क का पानी पूरी का मजा होता है वो yacht में है.
वो yacht में.
Cheapest तो भाई PJs था for some reason. It looked the most sophisticated and it turned out to be the cheapest. So I guess my personal favorite would be PJs. His would be Janta. But I guess a common unanimous agreement on that Yacht does deserve the best, not the best, maybe the most dive bar.
Yeah. The actual dive bar feeling
Yeah.
has to be yacht. So there's a bar right opposite you.
That we're gonna cover at
Do you
some
want to
point.
take a shot of that?
Well, are we going there next?
Yeah. Tell us in the comments what you think your favorite dive bar in Bombay is, and we'll go check it out, or anywhere else in the country. And stay on sober.
Stay on sober.